Welcome to the Top 5 Auto Advice. If you are a new car owner, you need to know the basic understanding of a car engine and how a car engine works. Cylinder block houses the cylinders and other engine components. Pistons move up and down in the cylinders, powered by fuel combustion. Crankshaft converts the up and down motion of the pistons into rotational motion. The fuel and air intake system is responsible for providing the engine with the right amount of fuel and air mixture for combustion to occur. Compression is the process of reducing the volume of a fuel and air mixture within a car engine cylinder, resulting in increased pressure and power. The power stroke is the force stroke in a four-stroke internal combustion engine. Fuel is ignited, creating high-pressure gas that moves the piston down and turns the crankshaft. During the exhaust stroke, the piston moves up, pushing the waste gases out of the combustion chamber and through the exhaust valve. Inline engines have cylinders arranged in a straight line. V-shaped engines have cylinders arranged in two banks at an angle. Flat engines have horizontally opposed cylinders. The engine is the heart of your car. Regular oil changes, air filter replacements, and tune-ups can help extend the life of your engine. Thank you for watching.